My boy Nick Burns, what it do? Little something in my throat, I'ma cough up for you one time. Just a few bars. Little something live, 701 is the basement. I got homies looking at me like, what you want? My reply is to grind from dusk till dawn. Keeping in mind the love I got from my brother Sean and the killer, but don't push me when the musket's drawn. Above and beyond the physical or just beyond. I can't show you the wear and tear inside, but it's a lot more to me than what meets the eye. I had a homie left for dead in the streets to die. I ran through mad bread that week to get high. Almost strapped up with the heat to ride. But what's there to clap up to keep him alive? Some days a predator or prey on the block, and all the killers got was a cage and a cot. And left my stomach all arranged in knots. I won't bend or break, I might bleed. It's food for thought for the mouths I might feed. Chasing papes, care less about vapes and apes. When I'm surrounded by gorillas that scraping the plate, trying to find comfort to these hunger pains. Real recognize real when you come from the same. Just trying to pay bills, push pain to the limit. No time reserved for the games and gimmicks. Call me antisocial, Pinoy crazy. I be that before I let one of you dudes play me, or just quit to this rude boy environment. This the city of tools, toys, and violence. Just a little something I had to throw at the big homie, so he don't think I'm letting this work go to waste. You dig? I'm on it.